Okay, let's dive into something that trips up so many businesses, lead follow-up.
Think your leads are the problem? You're not alone. But honestly, that's probably not the real issue.
The hard truth is you're probably losing deals because your follow-up, well, it just isn't working.
So what's really going on here? It usually comes down to a few common deadly sins. Let's break down the first three. We'll look at the problem, the cost, and how to fix them.
Okay, sin number 1, no follow-up at all. You talk to a lead once, and then crickets.
And this costs you big time. 80% of sales happen after the 5th contact. You're quitting way too soon. The fix? A simple, automated email sequence. No more leads slipping through the cracks. Ever. Next up, sin number 2, the dreaded just checking in message. We all hate getting these.
See the difference? One is a total nag. The other is a gift. You're actually helping them.
So the fix is pretty simple. Make every follow-up feel valuable, not like an annoying ask. Sin number 3, talking like a marketer. You know that stiff corporate language that nobody trusts? I mean, just look at this. One is a robot, the other is a real person. Who would you reply to? So the fix is just write like you talk, use simple language, be an actual human. Now, fixing these sins one by one is great, but a system that prevents them? That's even better. This framework takes you from random chaos to a system that actually builds real trust with people. And a huge part of that system is attracting leads by giving them something valuable up front. To make all this work, though, you've got to shift your mindset about who you're talking to. See, social media is like renting your audience. An email list, that's owning it. You're in control. Seriously, stop paying rent on your audience's attention with nothing to show for it in the end. So, let me ask you, where do your leads actually live right now? In your DMs? On sticky notes? If you don't have a clear answer, you're losing them. That's not a system, my friend. That's a mess.